Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculus students, let's find the second derivative graph for this function f quickly. We will analyze concavity to identify the correct shape right now. Look at the original graph of f first. We see that the function is concave up on the left side, which means the second derivative must be positive there. Let's go. Next, notice the graph of f switches to concave down on the right side. This tells us the second derivative must be negative for those x values. Keep following along here. Since the second derivative goes from positive to negative, only one graph fits. Option A is correct. You solved a tough AP calculus problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given information to avoid a rush. Option A is correct.